Hello lovelies, welcome back once again to Phoebe's Kitchen, where so heavenly recipes are made. Thanks for returning, I appreciate you all. Once again lovelies, I'm back and today we are making Diehuo or Chuzafi. And Diehuo is one of the popular foods eaten by Ghanaians, and some of us don't mind having Diehuo for our breakfast, our lunch or dinner. It originates from the northern part of Ghana, but is eaten across the whole country. Lovelies, if you want to see how I make my Diehuo, please stay tuned to the end and be inspired. It's so simple, quick, and easy to make. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. In a bowl, I'm adding my corn flour. Alright, and next I'll go ahead and add water, just like this. And then I'll mix everything together so well. Once that is done, next in a boiling water, I'm adding the mixture just like this to make porridge. And to avoid lumps, make sure to immediately stir in circular motion. Here, now I'm adding salt to taste. And I'll continue to stir until the salt is well incorporated. And I'll let it boil for about 7 minutes. 7 minutes later, I am back and the porridge is ready. So now I'm scooping some on this side for later use, okay? Next, in the remaining porridge, add your cassava flour just like so. And to avoid lumps, immediately stir in circular motion just like I'm doing, okay? Once it thickens up and is too thick for you, use some of the porridge to loosen it up to get the consistency you are looking for, okay? And then you continue to stir in circular motion carefully and gently, okay? Once it thickens up, then knead against the size of the saucepan you are using, just like so. 10 to 15 minutes later, our Diehuo is so ready. And here we are. So simple, quick, and easy. But one more thing, lovelies. If you're not eating your Diehuo or Chuzafi right away, make sure that you make it very soft. So even if it firms up after some time, it doesn't become too hard. I hope you get it. Yeah? Lovely. So far, if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to like, share for others to see. Don't forget to leave me your comments and let me know your thoughts about the recipe. And if you ever try this recipe out, don't forget to bring me your feedback by tagging me on Instagram or commenting down below my Facebook and YouTube videos. And if it's your first time, hey, ever stumbling on my channel, you are warmly welcome. I would love to have you here. So kindly do your girl a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos here. Don't forget to also recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. So far so good, lovelies. This is the end of the video. Dinner is ready, lunch is ready, and even breakfast is ready. And I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, please follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Toodles! Peace out.